And I told my girlfriend, I gotta get away to get these June plums. Now, in Jamaica, when you're visiting like a tourist and they hear your accent, they treat you so differently. They treat you nice because you're not from Jamaica, you're a guest. And we should treat everybody nice. But there's this special thing about people who are coming from a foreign country, we tend to kind of treat differently. So I wanted to do what is called, let me make my assumption on how we treat people that are not from our own country. So I'm crossing one day, went over to this lady, she was selling fruits, and I needed these June plum. Mark, ya Jamaica, my barn, you know, so me know June plum. But me, I put on one piece of act to get the woman June plum. So I walked up to her and I said, "Oh my God, those little things that you got there, what are they called?" This, sir, she goes, "Them name June plum, you know, them taste nice, you see. Sometimes the skin pan them yellow and sometimes it green. But them taste so good, it's June plum, we call them. So you is from England?" So I say, "Oh yes, I'm from England. I'm just here doing some studies. My mum and dad is here as well. Do you mind if I taste one?" "Yes, man. Yes, of course." So she peeled one and she gave it to me. And I went like this and bit in it. Oh my God, they do taste lovely. Oh, this is so good. Do you take pounds? No, me not take pound, you know, me not take pound. But it's alright, man, it's alright because, you know, me love when people come and visit us and enjoy the food that we have and everything. Me no mind at all. So we say, "Oh, you sure? Because I really enjoy this." About 3 June plums she put in the bag and give me, you know, and one big smile. Here I know. No worry yourself, man. Look, you know, me love to know so me give you the June plum them. And you go enjoy them, you see. See, there are 2 green one in the bag and 2 with yellow skin. And them very nice. Oh, I must say they do taste lovely. I think my mom is going to enjoy it too. Oh my God, I really enjoy this. And I